This is how you can turn off the camera swipe right feature from the lock screen. So as you know, you can swipe on the home screen like this, and you will be able to access the camera right away. However, this doesn't have to be the case, as you can easily change it. The way to do this is by opening up the settings app on your iPhone and then heading over to the screen time section. And part of the screen time is that you need to set it up at first, so I assume that you have that already. And then you can head over to the content and privacy restrictions. Enable this and then tap on loud apps and features. You can see a bunch of different things, so what you can do is to disable the camera. Now, when you return back to the lock screen, you will not be able to swipe left and access the camera. This is a nice thing to have, a nice feature to use, but keep in mind that this disables the camera system-wide. So it means that the camera icon is going to disappear from your device entirely, which is probably not something that you wish, but it just works this way on the iPhone. So you can remove it from the lock screen, but you also remove it from the rest of the device. Obviously, if you want to use it, you can just return back to the same settings and just enable the camera again, so it's not that big of a deal. So consider having this option at least in the back of your pocket, so you can use it anytime you want. Perhaps you want to leave your phone somewhere and you don't want people to use the camera, so you can quickly do that and then re-enable the camera back again for your personal needs. So that's it from me. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to this channel so you never miss future tutorials. Hit the thumbs up to let me know about that, and I'll see you in the next one.